It is said, in every creature, in every existing being, there is a sign that points to the oneness of Allah, isn't it? That is one thing, but the soul's indication of Allah's existence, oneness, power, might, and attributes, the soul's indication resembles nothing else. Because what did Allah give to the human soul? He gave reflections, images of His own attribute. This is a remarkable thing indeed. Allah created Adam in His image. Allah is free from all form. The word image here, this is a Sahih hadith from Bukhari. This is a hadith from Bukhari. Scholars have discussed it much, but there's no need to overcomplicate it. Because image, surat in Arabic, doesn't only mean form, it has many meanings. For example, Suratul Masala means the explanation of the matter. When you say the image of this issue, you mean its clarification, its explanation. So yes, it can sometimes mean form, but it has many other meanings as well. Therefore, our master would explain this often. Allah created Adam in His image. Does Allah have an image? Never. Allah is free from shape, but the image here doesn't mean physical form. What does it mean then? It means that Allah gave reflections, images of His own attributes to man. The realities of those attributes belong to Allah. Which attributes? Life, knowledge, hearing, sight, will, power, speech, creation. Do we have life as well? Do we have knowledge as well? At our own level, hearing, seeing, willing, having power, speaking, producing, creation in our sense. Creation, takwin for Allah means bringing forth from nothing. Is your life like Allah's life? So what is image here? For example, here's a man, and over there is his statue, his image. Is the man and his statue the same? The statue cannot respond, cannot speak. It doesn't know how to speak. Just an example. So who owns the true essence of these attributes? They belong to Allah. And what do we have? Only their reflections, their images. Thus, He created Adam in His image, means He granted to humanity the reflections of His attributes. He gave them to man, to humanity. We all possess them. Now I'm speaking here with what Allah has granted me from His attribute of speech. From His attribute of speech, Allah has given each of us the ability to speak. Now I'm speaking here and you are listening. If you spoke, I would listen. So the reflection of His attribute of speech manifests here. But can Allah's attribute of speech be compared to ours? Can His life be compared? Never. His life never ceases, never ends. Eternal and everlasting. As for us, our life begins when the soul is breathed into us in the womb at 120 days and ends within some years. A short span, 10, 20, 50, 70 years, that's all. This life is a trust. The owner takes it back. Can anyone take away Allah's life? Never. As for hearing, what does He hear? Everything. If a man sleeps here and I shout, he won't hear. Sometimes people even sleep standing or sitting. A very tired person could sleep instantly. He wouldn't hear anything. Does he hear? No. Can't hear even nearby. Is there anything Allah does not hear? Is there anything He does not see? You cannot see behind this wall, but Allah sees everything. Therefore, this hadith, also from Bukhari, is not among the ambiguous ones, mutashabihat, as some think. When understood correctly, its meaning is clear to everyone. Allah, exalted is He, granted reflections of His attributes to human being. Did He give them to any other creature? No, He did not.